Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to remove Okta Verify. So if you no longer use the app or you're replacing your device, then just follow along. Before deleting the app, you need to make sure you have another way to sign in to your organization's account. And if Okta Verify is your only authentication method, then try contacting your IT administrator first so you don't get locked out. And if your organization allows it, sign into your Okta account using a web browser. Then go to your security methods or settings and remove Okta Verify from your registered authentication methods. And once that's done, return to your phone and press and hold the Okta Verify app icon. Then choose remove app or uninstall depending on your device. And confirm the removal when prompted. So that was how to remove Okta Verify. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.